Hello everyone, I am Simon Madugu Yalams from the School of Technical and Vocational Education, University of Technology Jamaica, currently the Director of UTech UNESCO UNEVOC Center for Research and Sustainable Development. The title of my presentation is Enhancing Skills Development and Increasing Access to Instructional Resources in Technical Vocational Education and Training through the Production of Instructional DVDs. This presentation has been prepared using slide speech. I do hope you will enjoy it. In this presentation, we will review the problem, objectives and the approaches employed in the initiative relating to production of DVD-based learning materials using slide speech. If the time permits, I will be playing for you some few clips from this project. Through this project, we aim to overcome the problem of inadequate training facilities in especially technical vocational education and training currently experienced in many high schools in the Caribbean. Also, we believe that students need an early introduction to the concept of technology education and vocational training, a practice that is almost non-existent in many countries in the region. Closely linked to this are the concerns and challenges faced by technical and vocational teachers and students while conducting lab-based exercises as they prepare for the school-based assessments and other national examinations. We aim to address these problems using locally produced instructional resources. Leveraging digital technology to reach teachers and students is the main focus of this initiative. The proposed project includes production of 3 DVDs at the initial stage. The first will explain how to use a lathe machine in a technical vocational education lab. A pilot test of the DVD will determine how well it works and how it might be improved. Further assessments will be conducted to ensure its reliability before its ultimate distribution via both the web and on digital video discs. The DVD on lathe machine operations will cover these topics, while in Phase 2, the project will expand to cover other technologies just good enough to introduce the young learners to the concept of technology and vocational education. Each resource will be indexed and made interactive for the learners, so the students can quickly reference specific materials as needed. The third phase of the project includes the creation of interactive lab exercises as a guide for students as they prepare for school-based assessments in technical vocational subjects. Through this initiative, we expect to overcome equipment challenges by exposing students to online training, since most of the students have access to smart mobile devices. Dr. Yalams in Jamaica is collaborating with Dr. Graves in New Zealand on this project, with the University of Technology Jamaica serving as the host organization. Of course, UNESCO UNEVOC is invited to come on board and provide the necessary funding and other supports. This proposal grew out of online discussions between the project partners at conferences and through the UNEVOC forum, in which the idea of building a website like the Khan Academy for Technical Vocational Education and Training has been a subject of discussion. This gave rise to the potential for collaboration between individuals at universities in Jamaica and New Zealand. The outcomes proposed in this project include production of 3 DVDs, a report on these pilot tests, and distribution of the learning materials. Pre- and post-test scores will be available by topic for the students using the materials in each of the subject areas. Some of you may be wondering, what is a slide speech and how can it be used in this project? Slide speech is a simple system for making talking presentations. You just add speaker notes to slides and the computer reads the script, delivering the presentation. The aim is to create easily maintained materials applied to vocational training. Slide speech is very fast and easy. The resulting materials are simple to maintain and keep up to date, and the presentations can play at low cost, on the web, on mobile devices, or from a DVD. Here are the team members, and example clips are available on the DVDs. Thank you for your attention. We welcome your questions.